Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about most economical power factor derivation. A consumer takes kilowatt maximum demand is constant and we are representing maximum demand P and load is operating of P up phi 1 and it's having kVA rating cos phi 1. So because of installing power factor improvement equipment, let us assume power factor improve phi 2 and now kVA demand decrease cos phi 2. A consumer takes kilowatt P at P up phi 1. His maximum kVA demand is maximum kVA demand is equal to P by cos phi 1 before installing power factor improvement equipment. He install a unit for improvement of P up. So now his maximum demand maximum kVA demand becomes P by cos phi 2. His saving in kVA P by cos phi 1 minus P by cos phi 2. Saving in energy charges, saving in energy charges in rupees is equal to rupees A into P by cos phi 1 minus P by cos phi 2. The kVA are supplied for the improvement of power factor by the unit P tan phi 1 minus P tan phi 2. Cost of installation per year is equal to rupees B into P tan phi 1 minus P tan phi. Net saving in rupees is equal to rupees A into P by cos phi 1 minus P by cos phi 2 minus B into P tan phi 1 minus P tan phi 2. This saving is maximum when differential of equation I with respect to cos phi 2 is equal to 0. Differentiating the equation 1 with respect to phi 2 and equating it to 0. Multiply A into P 1 upon cos phi 2 in 1 upon cos phi 2 is equal to sec phi 2 into tan phi 2 plus B into tan phi 2 is equal to sec square phi 2. So B into P sec square phi 2. P get cancelled in both sides. So minus A sec phi 2 tan phi 2 plus sec square B into sec square phi 2. Again sec get cancel, minus a into tan phi 2 plus b into sec phi 2. So tan phi 2 is equal to sin phi 2 upon cos phi 2 plus sec phi 2 is equal to 1 upon cos phi 2 equal to 0. Again a into sin phi 2 plus b is equal to 0. So sin phi 2 is equal to b upon a. Next step, sin square phi 2 is equal to b by a square, squaring both sides. Sin square phi 2 is equal to 1 minus cos square phi 2 equal to b upon a square minus cos square phi 2 is equal to b upon a square minus 1. So cos square phi 2 is equal to 1 minus b by a divided by b by a square. So cos phi 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus b by a square, where b is equal to charging rate per kVA of PF improvement unit, and A is equal to charging rate per kVA of maximum demand.